In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up Gmail inbox fast and easy. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. At the top navigation menu, click the inbox tab. In the categories section, check the box for updates, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Once your inbox refreshes, click the Updates tab at the top of your message list. This tab groups together automated emails such as banking alerts, receipts, and newsletters. Now right-click on a sender you want to clean up, such as a bank notification or subscription email. From the menu that appears, select Find Emails From, followed by the sender's name. Gmail will now display all emails from that specific sender. Click the Select checkbox in the top left corner of the toolbar to select the visible emails. Then click the blue link that says Select all conversations that match this search to include all matching emails. It will look like this in my screenshot. After everything is selected, click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can in the toolbar. When prompted, click OK to confirm the bulk deletion. Once you've finished cleaning up, return to Settings, click See All Settings, then go back to the Inbox tab, uncheck the Updates box, and click Save Changes to restore your original inbox view. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!